Yo, what's up? You guys can hear me? Let me know in the chat section if you can hear me. Then we'll start the stream. Like the proper start. Let me see on my side. Okay, so audio is okay. Let me change something on the screen. If I can change edit. Where it is? Position. No. So you can share the message now without like subscribing to a channel. And so yeah, made some changes. Afternoon, Cryptex. Afternoon, bro. Welcome to the stream. So do we hunt for trades or like we go for setup? Like we go for like general idea of trades. What do you want? Let me know in the chat section. So we'll continue based on that. If you want trades, we'll go for trades. Let me check. Gold. Somewhere here. I look for trades. Yep, I will look for trades first. Then we have a gap here on like the weekend, and now we are okay sitting at this point. Let me see on the lower time frame. Okay, so we broke this one. Could be a short here. Okay. So maybe we are trading gold first. Let me have a look at TPU and some volume profiles. Our POC is at this point. Yep. So maybe we are shorting gold. Our TP would be. Let me just check out about it. Our TP would be somewhere around. This is 47.37 or this. What's the like the previous candle? Yep, this level. Something like this, and our SL should be like above these highs. So yeah, we are good. In my opinion, this is the setup for gold right now. If you want to scalp, and yep, let me add fish train volume profile here somewhere around here. So yep, I am short in road at CMP. Like the current price is 47.77. I am short in road at CMP. Let me open my trade first. We have gold USDC. The price of gold on hyperliquid is 47.80. I am gonna short it with leverage of 25x. That is the maximum leverage on hyperliquid, and I will go for like decent margin. Okay, so yep, this one, and now we have like maybe this. So I'm in short limit. Not the limit. I wanna like for the market price. This sort of. So yep, I am short from 47.80. Let me add it here. My entry price is 47.80.5. So that's my entry price. I'll do a DCA somewhere around here, like 47.86. This will be like my DCA. SL will be like 47.98, and this will be like the TP. Full book manual TPs, but still. Like, yep, we have a golden pocket over here. We have this one. We have a 1.5 level around here, somewhere around. Let me add. Yep, exactly around 1.5 level on the fifth. So, yep, I will keep it here. So, coming to a cat session. Hi, bro. What about what we trade? It is active, and now we are pumping to the upper side. My average entry 2315, so this level. So yep, this is active. Hello legend, welcome to the stream, bro. Yes, look for trades. Okay, perfect. So we're looking for trades, and we are actually trading right now gold. I'm not going to share it in the group, but this is just live stream setup, and daily we will have like one live stream setup, like that will be only shared on live stream. On this one, we have this trend line, and now I think so we are at injected on live, like the trend line, and in my opinion, we have like around 45 minutes in that candle, but still we have to close above this level, like this previous what was this candle like previous NYO candle, we have to close above this one. In this candle, and New York opened, and this is the previous the bro fifth setting. I share, bro. Where it is? There you go. These are my golden numbers. Like the golden ones are like important. These goldens are important. Then we have blues, like this blue, and then we have yeah whites. So golden are like the golden numbers for me, and blue ones are like the retest numbers. If you have a like pullback, you just go for retest like the blue numbers, and white ones are like the normal one. So that's how I trade it. Hello, learning with you from Brazil. Welcome, bro. I don't know like the Brazil language, but still, welcome to Australia. I think so. I need to like learn every famous word from your countries. We have people from Indonesia, Malta, maybe we have from Cyprus, from Brazil, and yep. So you have taken a screenshot maybe, or if you're not, if I haven't, or you can take it right now. So and our Netflix is also active. We are like around 11% down. Nice on this one, and I'm not going to like trim it. I'm going to like leave it. Either we go to this level or either we go to this level. These are like two main levels. We already trimmed like 40% at $98, and then I trimmed 10% at this level, so 50% trimmed, and my average trim is around $97 and $96. What about BTC? BTC is we are in a short swing short, and I have placed some new orders. Like I said in the group, like I have a order at $77,000. Then we have an order at $78,500 somewhere around here, and then we have our last order at $80,000, and our SL is above this 81,000 weekly, like the 3-day time frame. I may switch to weekly, like just because of the Trump bullshit. Trump is like making some ripples in the market, so I may switch to weekly, but still we are like forming the inverse head like the head and shoulder pattern, and if we like that rejected from here, then we are going much lower. And let me open a clear chart, just give me a minute. Not here, not somewhere around here, and this is the level we are moving sideways right now. I shared it in like previous stream that was on 19th, and yep, previous stream I said if you want a short you can short. If you have entered, you should have like got 2% trade of the like on this one based on this, and this was idea one, this is idea two, and yeah, that's the stuff. BTC, let's not move this one, I'll move it here. BTC USDT on the 4 time frame. Ethereum is volatile right now. Okay, so and gold is also like gold is in profit. Okay, so if you have a look at like 1 hour time frame, you can see we are forming a head and shoulder pattern over here. And also if you look at like I go from here to here, we are right now getting rejected from the golden pockets. You just look at this golden pocket, we are getting rejected from it. And also like on the lower time frame, like on the 15-minute time frame, we are forming a head and shoulder pattern that is inverse one. And this is the reason we traded on this Ethereum, where Ethereum, let me see, there it is. You can see I have marked this inverse head and shoulder, like we are forming this something like this. So this is inverse head and shoulder pattern, and yep, that's what we are trading on Ethereum. I'm expecting like, or even on BTC, I am expecting something like we break this range, and then we go to like this a recent high, something like that. So that's what I am expecting on Ethereum. But on BTC, like we are sitting below the like golden pocket. And let me add something over here, like overall fib. You can see we didn't tap this golden pocket. On my fib setting, we didn't tap this golden pocket, and we are still like, oh, I was expecting something like this. We sweep this level, or we touch this level, something like this, and then so we have a gap here. So I am expecting we have a pretty good liquidity around there, like around this level. So we may get this one first, or we may get this one first, like that this one. So we have two liquidities. Depends on the market. If Trump don't like say something, we should go like this. If Trump say something, like we can go like this, but still depends. It's all on Trump right now. Did you share BTC? Yep, I shared BTC, bro. I shared. This was on, like, let me look at it. 80K. If you search 80K, you will see I shared it on like 17th April. I shared it around New York Open, like 9 minutes before New York Open. I shared it, and this was the exact text. Like this was the exact text. You can see, like, just like that. I am gonna build a screenshot on BTC here. If you're an expert and can hold for 15 plus days, then you can then follow this. Otherwise, skip. Take a Bitcoin and all this stuff. And these are the like entries, and these are the take profits, and this is a stop loss. So that's the stuff. Now talk about Ethereum. Maybe we already talked about Ethereum. We are in Ethereum. We are forming inverse head and shoulder pattern, same as BTC. I said we are going toward the upper side, like this one. So same on Ethereum. I am expecting we should tap this. I would got this imbalance, so we should tap this one, and we got this trend line over here, like that. The resistance, and yep, that's the stuff. I'm in, and my entry is 2315. After that, second entry, and we are holding POC. Like this is the major level. I tend to close the trade, but what I am seeing is we are holding this POC right now. And I have said earlier that if we close above this level, like this is the level 2321 on the hourly time frame, then we should go toward the upper side. Love it. Thanks, bro. Just joined a bit ago. Welcome, bro. Welcome to the stream. If you're new, I want to say, like, we do live stream like every 2 to 3 days, so you get a like overview of what's going on in the market, like what's going on BTC, what's happening on the board, what's happening on Netflix, like the stocks, and then again the forex. I missed this trade. I was expecting like I was expecting something like this. Like I was expecting it should go toward this level. Like this was whatever what should I call it? Like Monday, New York Open time. This was the high. So I was expecting to tap this and then dump, but we missed it. So that's why I didn't trade it first right now, right today. Which profile you use? On what's up, bro? On which one? Like on the fib one? What's the profit? It's only 3% with 25 leverage. So I will keep on holding. I'll keep it hold. We are down like around 0.23%. Nice. I will trim around here like 0.30%, around 0.30%. If you're talking about trading view profile, then I have three profiles. This one is for like overall charts or forex or like stuff, and this one is for like overall charts, like STF charts. If you know what is STF, like STF is like higher time frame. Like you can see the higher time frame perspective here. This is Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. This is like the dollar index, not dollar index, sorry, USD dominance. This is dollar index, and this is XPX. Someone said like XPX is what you said? XPX is like weak, something like this. I can't remember, but yeah, that's the stuff. Yeah, weak looks looks weak. So this is the pattern road. Why we are shorting gold? This is the stuff like I already shared on 19th April, somewhere around here, like 19th what this level. I shared that we are going to play like this, and that's the reason I am short. So you have a mindset, you have a bias on your mind, and then you just open the chart and you start trading. Then we have SPX. So this is like the stuff. Can we still enter Netflix? No, bro, you can't. You can see Netflix is down 11%, and 11% on any stock is not a like normal thing. You can see some sort of like dumps like 13%, then we have this dump like around, if you count total dump, then we have 35%, but still you have to catch the perfect top or something like that. So you should not enter. Let's say if you enter here, if I run like let's say my fib, and you can see we have some important level like 0.3282. If we claim this level on daily, we are going to the upper side. That's what I know. So you are like sort of late. Can you give update on Nokia stock for swing and Tesla for scale? We'll see. Tesla earning coming soon. Okay, so we should look at Tesla. Can we short SPX? In my opinion, you can, but very short. Like we are at all-time highs. We don't have any resistance for the upper side. Very you place shorts. Like even if we extend our fib like 1.382, then this level, let's say we have this level 1.605. Let's say this is still around another 4% on the upper side. And yeah, so I won't say like you should short here. Wait for like some sort of confluence like RSI divergence. You can see we start moving sideways here and here. So that's the stuff. Like on 4 hour time frame, you can see we are okay. We are not forming. We're not forming RSI divergence. If it was something like this, then we should form. But right now we are not forming. If you should short, like your target would be this first target, but still you don't have like the confluence here. Or even if you like, I don't know if we can run fifth volume profile here. No, we can't. Uh, let's to move to stocks. We have some stock options, and we have Tesla. Let me make some changes. This one and where it is, like it's not trading maybe. Nope, not here. Yep, this one. So yep, on the 4 hour time. Yo, what's up? Everyone joined back. I'm sorry for the like pause or like the interrupt between. Yep. Let me fix on my side. Okay, so yep. Let me share the link first in the group. Give me a minute. So yep, our draw trade is printing right now. Just a minute and good. And yep, so we trimmed somewhere around here, somewhere around here. We are like, hello again. Do you live in, no, I don't live in Myanmar. I live in South Asia. We have some, our country turning out of like fuel because of Iran. We are neighboring country of Iran, and that's the stuff. So, yep, I switch to solar right now. Please, can we talk more on Ethereum? I will. Because relative to Bitcoin, it's weaker right now. Hello again. Hello, welcome back to a stream, bro. I have to like they have it from there. I've been in Myanmar. Nope, I'm not from Myanmar. I'm in South Asia. We generally don't have this stuff, but because of war, we are neighboring countries. So yeah, you have heard like the Strait of Hormuz. That's the stuff affecting us. So Bitcoin, like the gold is down 6% on the leverage side. Ah, nice one. So we like caught the nice one over there, and if we like lose this one, then we are gonna come to like maybe around this level for 739. And where Ethereum? If you want to talk about Ethereum, well, same stuff here. I said like we have to close off this like $43.20, and now we are sitting at 43.21. Sorry, not 43, 23, 23, $21. We are sitting at this one, but the main zone, if you like, I am zooming in the chart. If you look at this, like this level, like the trend line, we have to like dodge that one, or we have to claim that one. Oh, gold is dumping. Oh, nice. Trim and under profit, bro. If you haven't, we are down to 13% here. Nice one. Same image. Let me share. Nice catch. And like I can open this up. Yep. You can see the we shot from 4780.5. This is the level, like this white line. And let me remove the upper limits, like the upper fibs. So fib level right now are these like the important ones. Amazing road analysis, 10 bro. And if you have like entered GG's, we got like a huge move your SL to somewhere around 4770. Just to be safe, move your SL to 4770. So we have a new SL, and this was the like entry somewhere around here, 4780. Yep, somewhere around here, and new SL is around this level. 4770 is new SL. Let me remove my previous SL and add my new SL. 4770 is new SL, and last tip is 4744. So yep. Uh, should we look for like more scalps? I should. I think I should. Let me open the forest chain on my side so we catch it. How many of you trade indices like the US stock, US 30, US, those stuff? Let me see. We got those on Hyperliquid. Yep, we got on Hyperliquid, but we need USDH. Now, what's USDH? So Hyper USD with Hyper. Okay. Euro USD looking good here on my side. I've just watched the exchange chart on what time frame it is. It's a 5 minute time frame. Uh, like no, skip it. Let me grab my chat. Yep. Only crypto, bro, or gold? We trade everything, like everything. We trade stocks, we trade forex, we trade Ethereum. We are in Ethereum, so I'm avoiding crypto right now. Just because we're in Ethereum, I don't wanna like double the risk. Let's say we are losing. Let's say we are losing $100 on this one, and if I do Bitcoin long again, we will lose. Let's say double of this, like $200. So I just trade one pair in one market. Like on Netflix, we're in stocks. We are in Netflix. Or in metals, we are in road, and in forex, I am looking for some new trade. Either I will do in forex or either I will do in like indices. This one is looking pretty good right now, like the US 500. Like I am looking at this level. If you look at this level, we have gapped the upper liquidity, and if you look at something like this, then what I am looking for is short around here, like the SL around somewhere around these highs maybe. Yep, these highs would be good, a little bit above, like yep, this stuff, and somewhere target like this. No, that would be like a little bit. Yep, this one, or what's this? Maybe target this one. Yep, and maybe we missed the setup. It's dumping already. We made the setup maybe. RTP is on road, and this one is sort of missed. Maybe we'll lower the TP 71. Yep, this level. And if we come back to our entry, we will take this one. This one is filled and smashed. I've downloaded the image on this one. Okay, on Hyperliquid, we haven't tapped the entry. Yeah, that is like the proper tap TP. On Hyperliquid, we are at 47.46. So I'll wait for it. I'm not rushing. Like I'm not rushing to close this one. On here we are at 47.43, but on Hyperliquid we are at 47.47. Do you really think Ethereum is relatively weak? No, Ethereum not weak. Ethereum is sort of, you can say, like trying to push higher. It will give a wake up. Like on the higher time frame, you will see a wake up, like something like this. A small wick on the higher time frame. And come on, give me a TP. And we have missed this one. In my opinion, we have missed this one. Where is like 47, 43? Yep. So this is it. I am posting it on X. Give you a link. Then must share your profits. Like if you have PNL cards, you should share your PNL card. Otherwise, no. Firstly, let me share in the group also. Like, yeah. Uh, Image which show like to this one. And gold is now dumping more, a bigger one. But still, okay. We booked our 2.5 one an hour, like around 0.80. I'm not on the pip side, but what's the pip? Like we got 3,000 pips, and yep. I have given you a link. Maybe you can open or maybe you can't. Like I have given you a link in the chat section. If you can open, you should go for a like, give you a like, or like on X. And this trade is missed, bro. We missed this trade. If anyone like caught it on time, then GG's. But we skipped. We missed. Ethereum is at same level. BTC is same level. BTC is and Ethereum like crypto is not volatile right now. Yesterday it was gold, like gold was sideways. You can see what's the day today is Tuesday. You can see on Monday it was like what's the Monday like you can see it sideways. Then we got like Monday high. We caught the Monday high. Like we got the Monday high. This was the good setup here. Like and you should have like shorted here, and target was like the Monday low, and now we have set Monday low. That's how you trade intraday. And someone said to like look at stocks like Nokia and Tesla. Where are those? I was about to look at those, but yep, sadly. Maybe we looked at Tesla. I'm not sure, but still. Come on. Yep, I was changing my setting. Okay, so we got earning around 22 April for the March. And we have like the estimate of like this. And the chart have broken out of the downtrend. In my opinion, if the earning is good and you see a retest of this one, then you should go like this. You should long here. In my opinion, that's my like opinion. But everything is based on like what you see, like earning stuff, new stuff. So yeah, this idea is still valid or like active. Uh, Maybe Forex is right now a little bit hot, so touch Forex. Oops, we have this level over here. Okay. Hmm. And now we have this level. This is a risky shot. I would not say like take it, but still, SL above this eye, short at here, TP here. Is it dumping? Is it dumping? Ah, bro, Ethereum is sitting above POC. Don't look at 1 minute time frame, bro. You can take this one, but I would say like secret. It's like a little bit risky. Let's look at more for our setups. Mhm. Did Trump said anything? Like, let's see if we got some sort of Trump statement. The next year to be decided today. Okay, no, we don't have any. So, what TF are you looking at normally? Bro, if I am trading on like swing time frame, then I look out for like you can see I look for 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, and sometimes really not like the most of the time, but yeah, 4 hour time frame. And if I'm scalping, just like we are scalping forex and metals, I look for 5 minute time frame. You can see here, USD JPY. Move to a 5 minute time frame. We got a range here. Okay, so POC was at this point, and this was the previous setup. I think so. We took in the live stream, or like not in the live stream. Yesterday we took it. Yep. So we got TP1 done and the dot stopped out at the entry, but still the full setup played out. And just a minute, POC is here. You can actually launch this one. Target would be this one, and a risky one. If I recall, ask me. This is a risky one. Like this. something like this. But this is a risky one as we are at highs. But let's try our luck or your luck. I'm avoiding it. Iran not to prevent Pakistan, so I think market started to panic a bit. Ah, really? Let me see. I think they were like, they have to like come today. Pakistan would be dead in state of Hormones. Just skip it, bro. This one skip it. As we're at highs and we can like, I'm waiting for it. If we like form some sort of like, we don't have our set stuff here, but still, if we like close below this poor high, then we can short. That's why I have the chart open. I'm not going for long. Someone made 42% profits on road. Nice. Who can stop you? uh, okay. I don't know why you guys are arguing in the group all the time. Just sharing group. Yep. Kata quiz shop on the web. Okay. Actually, I don't get that part of choose. Like, if you're saying that Iran not depend Pakistan, I'm not getting some trustable site. Trump is looking at Vietnam right now. What the fuck? So Trump is saying we are looking at Vietnam. I would have won Vietnam very quickly. I don't know what this man is trying to do, but still, very good, good, good. Nothing on this one. Nothing on this one. Nothing on this one. Maybe we should like a lot news from financial juice. Okay. As we just follow like 2 3 outlets, and I don't switch them. That's the stuff. It's a good source of news. Okay, I will check it after like the live stream. I will check it, and if it's good, I will add it to my live stream, like my watch list. Nasdaq. We have like a general downturn on like 5 minute time frame. That's what I see. Like if you go to like this, we break this and we go to a lower side. So yep, it is dumping. Yep, it is dumping. In my opinion, we are going to like going to fill this week, and if not hold, we are going to like go lower. Maybe we look at now crypto right now. Where should I open it? Maybe over here. You started dumping. Okay, your USD dumping. Okay, this one drawn. This one is same. I'm looking at crypto charts right now. I shorted USRT at 49,585, somewhere around that tree. Can you help with TP for scalp? For scalp, okay. Move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red candles. Okay, so maybe the next candle would be green, but still, your entry is around 585, around here. Uh-huh. I'd say, like for scalp, your first TP would be this one. What's the order here? Like, if I were you, like I would place SL above this wick, like this wick. This is 2.5 hour, and if it goes lower, then this is the TP. These two would be like your TPs: 49,369, 49,220. Or like if it goes a little bit more, then my last TP would be like 49,100. These are the like TPs, I would say. Everything moving sideways. I don't know how to like catch setup right now. What's with AUD? Every same. We have another poor high over here. Net just dumping. Stocks dumping. Okay. So we have like uncertainty on the like charts. Let me open US 500. We should have caught it. We should have got it, but still. I will keep it open. We didn't dot this one, so I am changing this one. Like the best pair for me is like Euro USD, and after that we have AUD, like the Australian dollar. But still, we missed those, so I am going to try this one. Anyone don't want to try this one? We have RSI divergence over here, targeting POC, something like this, and yep. This is a risky setup again, I'm saying, but still I am going to take some risk over here. GBP, JPY. It's not on like, it's not on Hyperliquid. Okay. So I will trade on like Bybit, or maybe we have it on like the Bingex. GBP, pound, JPY. Okay, so I'm in, and I know my man not TP, but okay. Thanks. Got it. So my first TP would be around this level, 215160, and then this TP, and in my opinion, last TP would be this low. Trim 40% here, 40% here, 20% here. That's the level, and SL would be like this. ETH has a lot of liquidity above. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ethereum should go above, like toward the upper side. We should get a leg on the upper side, but we have war stuff and the ceasefire. I think the ceasefire is to end today. I'm not sure, but still. So that's why we are getting some sort of like choppiness on the market. Like you can see, we have filled the wick. We are now looking lower. Dark side isn't responding that much. The US 30. Okay, so we swept Monday lows maybe. No, not the Monday lows. Around the New York lows. Okay, after New York low, it crashing. Yeah, bro. I'm looking at charts. Don't worry. I have like multiple screens, so I'm looking at everything. On one screen I have forex. On one screen I have gold. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum typed 2288.18 and our SLA 2288. What if on Binance it's 2290? What if we bounce from here? Let me see gold here. I found something maybe. And we are touching 13th April lows. Maybe we should like bounce from here. You can actually catch a decent like long, like something like this. Let me add some fibs here. Yep, we are a golden pocket. So yep, we can. I'm going to try a little bit over here, like little bit risk. TP one over here, not a TP one. Sorry, entry one here, entry two in this box. Like these values are like entry one, and these values are entry two. SL below this, like let me have a clear view, and I will be targeting 0.382, something like this. But still, we have we have war stuff. We have the rest of the stuff in the market. So yeah, but the liquidity is above. Ethereum had hack. No, not Ethereum. We have a hack in CalpDAO. Like if you know what's CalpDAO, it's a DAO, and we got a hack on that one. Arbitrum these funds. When some I don't know who said financial groups is saying that, but now we got some stuff like. Or it's still awaited. Okay. Pakistan is saying that they have got information, but okay. So they're still like mess. And Pakistan is still urging them to like extend the ceasefire and all the stuff. But still, bro, look at it. So close vessel. Yep, I know Ethereum is close vessel, but what can we do? Like it's cause of war. Like this stuff. Like when we got this, let me show you guys. When we got this stuff, like this, the president Trump is trying to speak. Then I sort of knew like we were going to kill the SL, but we pumped from like around these areas, like 2290, and now we're sitting at almost same level. So yep. I'm in gold, bro. I'm in gold. Like from 4734, I'm in gold. My second order would be like my setting order would be like around this level, $4,700. Exactly, that's the stuff. Once you are in a trade, you just forget it, and yeah, that's the stuff. Enter a trade, forget it, either TP or SL. Cryptex gives an SL for a reason. Why dies Arsenal must be closed on trade? Yep, that's the stuff, bro. Like, let's say if we don't have this hassle, let's say this we don't have this hassle. I say like if we close below this, then you should worry like we have a huge downside like 2%. But still, when gold is dumping, then you can't expect some anything else. What just happened in the market? I saw it went down a bit. Whether we have some sort of chaos in Pakistan from geopolitical stuff, like Iran is not like coming to Pakistan. I just have that one, but still they have yet to confirm. Okay, so we have Fed chairs posting. I don't believe in forward guidance. The Fed will have to dig deep in upcoming meetings. Okay, so it's a nominee, like not the Fed chair, is the nominee, the new one, the coming one. I'm not sure if we should like dig for more for stuff, but still, gold is pumping. Yeah, little bit pumping. Oh, what's the like stream timing? We have to our 56 minutes. Okay, bro. Bro, if you hit TP1 on Ethereum, yep, you should move your SL to entry. I don't know why, but it seems like you are new to trading. This one is going to SL like 0.06%. Bro, what your opinion? Will the market go up a bit or come down? Go up and then come down. Like I have shared it in where I have shared it. Maybe in this. Nope, not here. Somewhere around here I have shared a chart. Uh, go back a little bit and check it. Yes. So yeah, that's why you are saying like that. You have to like control your emotions in trading. If you are like going like this, then you should stop trading in the like with real money. You should have some patience, bro. Like you or like anyone from here can't do anything. You can just enter and then that's it. Either you win, either you lose. We have we have the gold active right now. Netflix, Ethereum, there's the stuff. And Ethereum is still like giving some hopes. You want to tip one right? Which one, bro? This one? Like the long one? No, long TP1 is here, like 4761. And we did a shorted road. Like we don't have any other trade active, so I guess you are talking about this one. TP1 at 4761, 4791. These are two TPs. Like we still have some distance, like around 0.25 or $23. wanna take some. I don't have any chart here. Six are enough for here, so I would switch to like this. This is okay. This is okay. Maybe open it here. Hype looks weak. We are forming Arthur divergence, but still it looks sort of weak. And in my opinion, like something like this, and here we have something like this. No, switch. Translate up. I was about to take a hype long here based on the RC divergence, but still the POC is above our entry, like above the price, so I'm not going to take it. You guys do RC trading, like let's say on BTC, go to 5 minute time frame. You guys do like RC trading, like let's say we have this, and on the RC side we have this. If we get from here, you should like to look for shorts, something like that. This is very profitable. Like on this one, you see this like trend line. Same on the price, you see this. Once you have like this, you start looking for short. Like you start looking for short, and at this level, like at this level, you start looking for shorts, and you get a confirmation over here. Like if you look at like body to body, you get RC divergence here, and you short it over here with highs above the SL above the highs, and TP where you were looking for short, or maybe a little bit lower, but still that's how you can get a higher trades. That's how I used to trade scalp in some previous days. Then we talk about psychology. There's a lot to talk about psychology, but psychology is something that you have to like implement on yourself. You can listen, you can like learn it, but you have to like implement it on yourself. Until unless you don't implement, you are not going to like take it that way. Which time frame on 5 minute time frame, bro? 5 minute, 15 minutes. Like look at 15 minute time frame. I should like give you something like this. Like have a look at this RC trend line. We have a breakout over here. Over here, you should be looking for RC divergence after that. After that, we got some sort of RC divergence. Same, you can short it here. Place your like Jordan pockets. TP1 at 0.382. Like let's say if you short it from here, Jordan pockets would be like SL above like the highs, previous highs. You can take these highs also, and Jordan pocket is your target. Like you can place TP1 at 0.236, tip it like this, TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4, something like this. And you get a like 5 hour trade. Or like even if you like choose a higher like stick SL, you can do for like 8 hour. That's how you can trade. Like you can scalp. Same on road, like let's say on road, we like I will give you an example here. Like have a look at this. On the replay side, I will show you something. Like have a look at this. We are getting this. Once we start breaking down here, I will do short. Like I'm just giving you example, like how you should trade it. We haven't got like broke down still yet. We are still waiting, and you can see the first candle close below this trend line. Like if you like I zoom in, like you can see the first candle close below this one. So we have started to that weakness. We will short it around here. SL above this, like previous highs or like these highs. So I will choose this one. TP around this level. TP around this level, like the previous pivot point. And this is also like the Sunday around New York time. Like Sunday we don't have New York, but still Sunday New York time. And now you'll see this like how the setup plays out. Boom, the TP1 done, like the RTP done, just because of this RC trend line breakout. That's how you should trade. Like you should sell. Nothing big in this. Nothing. No fancy indicator. Just RSI. You can trade it multiple times. Like have a look at this. Again, I will like show you over here. Like you see here, where the RSI. Look at the RSI. We started closing below. You can take as low like entry here, DCA somewhere around. Like you can take DCA. Entry here, DCA here, SL above the highs. Same setup. And TP around previous lows, like this is the previous lows. And you should go for it. We took out DCAs. You can do DCAs or you can skip. Depends on you, but still. You almost TP, like you can see almost TP with order TP. So that's how I used to do scalping. And what's happening to our code? Okay, so our code is pumping. So we caught the reversal also. Let me just place it in the lower time frame. Like let me mark it. Like we are long from what's there our entry 4738. So 34, sorry. And this is our SL. I will use this as like change our SL to 4721 right now. And our TP would be this. Or actually you can like trim TP1 here. TP2 over here. Nice distance. You have 0150. Trim TP1 here. And yep, we got the TPs. I have trimmed 50%. And yep, that's two trades we took today. We took like this code short. This one is still active. And let me look at one thing. What's the like POC? Okay, so POC is okay, like decent one. We have two trades active, like this one and this one from live stream. And yep, I will update you in the group once we have the targets done. And yep, now maybe we'll end the stream. I will end the stream maybe. We are 1 hour and 11 minutes in the stream. So yep, I'm gonna end the stream here. Thanks for joining. We got 133 views. Nice. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to like my YouTube channel. Like the stream. Follow me on X. Everything at the end, everything is for free. Like I am not charging you anything. Like you are not getting any sort of like paid signals. Everything is free. Go follow, like, share, subscribe, and yep. So yep, I am ending a stream here. See you tomorrow, maybe, or the day after tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for joining.